let's replace the battery in my key fob. Most keys take a CR2032. You'll need some kind of something to pry your key open with, and of course your key fob. So I got a Nissan. You start by pulling your key out, and then if you look around, a lot of times you'll find a little groove like this one on the back. You get something sharp and you just pry it open. Be a little careful now. Once you get it open, you pop your battery out. And then most of them will say negative side faces up, so make sure you remember what side's which. Put your new battery in, and then snap it all back together. Also, I was just having issues. You want to make sure sometimes these prongs, so that's your negative connection, you want to make sure they're bent upwards, and then your positive connection are these little prongs here. You want to make sure they're bent up to where it can touch that gold strip. That's your positive and negative connections. And you just snap everything back together and should be good as gold.